Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to make hard reset on your speaker SONOS ROAM 2. To make a hard reset, you should press at the same time play pause button, it's located here, and power button. So press and hold both of these buttons. And it turn off. Now, turn on it by press one time at the power button. Then click the settings icon or information icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And then press and hold Bluetooth button. Here we go, we enter to prank mode and we can see it by this flashing blue light. Click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!